Hello friends, today we will install Linux operating system using VMware tool very easily. First, let's understand why we are going to use VMware tool and what is VMware tool. Let me explain this very simple way. Why VMware is needed. Imagine your computer is a big room. Microsoft Windows is already living in that room. Now Linux operating system also want to live there, but two systems cannot live together easily. So VMware tool makes a small room inside that house, and Linux lives in that new room. Your main computer stays safe. So we use VMware tool to learn Linux safely, not break the main Microsoft Windows operating system. Practice like a game. We can try different operating systems like Windows and Linux without breaking our real computer. If something goes wrong, our real computer stays safe, means our original Windows operating system. If something goes wrong, it will happen only within the VMware tool, or we can say in our VMware environment. We can practice, learn, break and test things easily. Then what VMware tool does? VMware is a virtual computer inside your real computer. This virtual computer can run any operating system like Red Hat Enterprise Linux, RHEL, Ubuntu, CentOS, Kali, or even Windows. Here we can install and use these multiple types of Linux operating systems. VMware environment feels real and it is safe environment. Again, final word. What is VMware? VMware is a tool that lets you run another computer inside your original computer. I hope you understand why we are using VMware tool or VirtualBox. Step 1. Now let's download VMware tool first. How to set up VMware environment? I am going to tell you step by step, super easy way. So to download VMware tool on your computer, you have to use official website. In my description, I have given official website link or URL to download VMware tool. So you can see my screen here. Just go to this website. Click on download. Here you can see VirtualBox platform packages. You have to click on Windows hosts, and you can see here download is started. So you can see here our VirtualBox application is downloaded. Click on that downloaded VMware application. You can see VirtualBox installer setup. Click on yes. click on next. Now you can see end user license agreement. You have to click on I accept the terms of the license agreement and click on next. Click on next. Click on yes. Again click on yes. Click on next. Click on install. Wait for the installation to finish. Okay, click on finish. Now VMware environment is ready, means our Linux operating system installation platform is ready to use. Step 2. We need to download Linux ISO file. First, let me explain what is Linux ISO file. A Linux ISO file is a Linux CD in a file. You know, in the old days we use CD DVD to install Windows XP or Linux on a computer. It is used to install our operating system. But nowadays we mostly download the operating system ISO file to install any operating system. Here we are going to download operating system ISO file, which is Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Generally this is called RHEL 9 ISO. Once we downloaded RHEL 9 ISO, we give this downloaded RHEL 9 ISO to VMware tool, and VMware uses it to start Linux operating system. Now here question is, what is RHEL 9? Just pronounce RHEL 9, RHEL. 9 is a Red Hat Enterprise Linux version 9. RHEL 9 is a computer operating system just like Windows operating system. RHEL 9 ISO is one file that has RHEL 9 Linux operating system inside it. RHEL full form is Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So there are multiple hundreds of Linux operating system in the market. Red Hat Enterprise Linux, Ubuntu, CentOS, Kali. If you want to check multiple Linux operating system, you can visit distrowatch.com. Please check description for DistroWatch website. That means we have to choose one Linux operating system for practice. Here we are going to use Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 because mostly this Linux is used in all companies or IT industries. In short, we just call it RHEL 9 instead of saying Red Hat Enterprise Linux. We use this RHEL 9 ISO file to install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 operating system. It is a type of Linux. Big companies use it. It helps computer work and run required company's program. So in next video we will download Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 ISO step by step and install this RHEL 9 operating system in VirtualBox. I'll upload the next part of this video. Until next time, stay tuned for the next video. Before you go, like, subscribe and turn on notification with bell icon so you never miss the update.